How to set up Zoom for online classes as a teacher. So as a teacher, the very first thing that you need to do is schedule a recurring meeting matching your class timetable, right? So for doing that, first of all, you need to create yourself account just like this. And if you do not have your account, then tap on sign up and go along with the process of how you will be able to do it. So after doing that, if you tap on schedule right here, now you can schedule your exact meeting to your exact timetable of your class, and you can also set the ending time too. So after doing that, you can simply tap on save and your Zoom meeting will automatically be started to that exact scheduled time and date. So in here, if you simply manually host a meeting, then simply tap on the meet option right here during your class hour, and then from here, if you want your video to be turned on, you can do that, and you can use your personal meeting ID to tap on start meeting. And in here again, if you want to mute your mic, you can also do that, then tap on start, right? So there are a few things that you need to do as a teacher for your classes. Very first thing would be your security. So simply go on the more option right here. Then from here, what are we going to do is tap on host tools. So after doing that, tap on security, and in here the very first thing that you need to do is enable this option waiting room, so that no random person beside your student would be able to join into your meeting, right? So if you disable this option, anyone with the link can join to your meeting, but if you do enable this option, there will be a waiting list, so only if you approve, then they will be able to join in. So if you want to lock the meeting, you can also do that, and if you want to hide all of the profile pictures, you can also do that, right? So after doing that, if you simply tap on more again, then tap on participants, here you will be able to see the option of waiting rooms, and in there you can now approve or disapprove the participants. So yeah, this is pretty much how you will be able to set up Zoom for online classes as a teacher. So yeah, that is it.